If you're working with multiple designs and need more than one artboard, here's how you can add artboards in Affinity. First of all, this works in all studios: Vector, Pixel, and Layout. Right now, I already have one canvas. If I want to add more, I'll use the Artboard tool. If you don't see it in your toolbar, just click the three dots at the bottom of the Tools panel. Select Tool, look for Artboard tool, and drag it into the Tools panel. There are actually a few different ways to add a new artboard. Here's the first one. With the Artboard tool selected, go to the Context toolbar at the top and click Insert Artboard. Now a new artboard is added. This will only add an artboard to the right of the current one, though I can drag it to any position I like, but it's still not so practical. Next, here's another way. When an artboard tool is selected, you'll see 4 plus icons around it. Clicking any of these will add a new artboard in that direction: right, bottom, left, or top. Of course, I can still drag the artboards to any positions I like. One thing to notice: when a new document is created, the canvas here doesn't have a name since it's a single canvas, not as in a dartboard which have a name on top, though they work pretty much the same. However, you can actually create your first artboard directly when creating a new document. Simply switch on the artboard option here, and here's the artboard. Now I can also add a new artboard by freehand. Just click the artboard tool and draw to the size I want. And that's how you can quickly add artboards in Affinity. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.